Mom, come on. Come on. Hurry.
Be careful. Tree. A squirrel. Say squirrel.
Here, I want to feed him a thingy.
Say squirrel. No, Christy, you don't feed squirrels. It's not going to come near you. Squirrel. Yeah. Where'd it go? Did it go in the tree?
Right there. There he is.
Tree. Owl. Okay, come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, fishies. And there's a spider's web. We don't want to go over there. No, no. Go get Pugsley. Let's go home. Let's go home. Come on. Where'd Krista go? Come on. Come on. Let's go. Nope. You leave that alone. Go on. Where'd Pugsley go? There he is. There's Pugsley. Go on. Be careful. Oh. Go on.
Give him kisses. Give him kisses, Pugsley. Pugsley, give him kisses now. Give him kisses. Give him kisses. Right now. Give him kisses.
Jason, give Pugsley kisses. Jason, push the swing. Jason, push the swing. Push it. Oop. Push it. Push it. Wee. 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 What is it?
The kitty cat.
They're trying to sell it for like $168,000.
Yeah, right. They probably spent too much, that's why. Working on it.
Probably thought they were getting a deal and didn't realize that the market was falling. And they thought they bought at a good time.
Be up?
3? A couple of years. You gonna go see the donkey? Donkey. Oh, give the donkey a kiss. Give the donkey kisses. Oh.
He's like, ew, do I want to?
Oop. Sinkhole.
Oh my god, wow. That's crazy.
Pelican.
The grass is nice for the winter.
Jason, get over here. No. Get over here. Jason, get over here. No. Go on. Get out of there. Go on. Let's go home.
Mom.
Let's go home. We gotta go home now. God. Get up there.
Wow, that could have been painful. Come on, let's run.
Go on.
Let's run.
Get up there. No. You leave that alone. You get over there. Go home. Home. All right.